Kasen Joseph Higher Secondary School Umden Riboy District kala Rakhe ya lyngkhuh sikha jong Don Bosco kaba Arts Pak Prasnem mentakasi kakan District Unailar Arhajar Arpulai kabala penlong haparish hall Umden harengkat kajidon lang ufadar Michael Kongan ubade uparish pris jongka lumsinai parish Umden Principal Kasen Joseph Higher Secondary School Umden ufadar Jokim Eka ufadar MC Thomas bat kiwe Hakane kasni ladon ru kamas bakerpang jong Don Bosco hakabala ai da ifadar Michael Kongan bat hadin kamas bakuny ladon kijing shat kiskit bat kijing ruai da ki kena school bat ufadar Jokim Eka ulapan pau ya kajing sukumen hakabaki kena kela shimpata shirhem haki banta baper bat ila ai ki kintin sneng ki kena ban perkat nak banta kamen sim bat kalawai ban ya ki e jong kane ka pertei bat ila buru kajing kerpat banduwai nak bantau Don Bosco kenang bangin yo yak imlang salang kababha.
Michael Kongan, the parish priest of Snem in our program. I also welcome Father Thomas, the senior most teacher in our school, Father. Then I welcome all our teachers for this function, and as you are the host, you are the organizers. So on behalf of managing committee, fathers, I welcome all the teachers. And I welcome all of you, my dear children, as we celebrate the birthday of Don Bosco, the father and the founder of the Salesian congregations, and also the father and friend of the youth. So as we celebrate the birthday of Don Bosco, let us feel the presence of Don Bosco in this hall just now, and let us ask these blessings so that whatever we are going to do, everything for the glorifying of Don Bosco's life. So once again, I welcome each and every one of you. Pay attention and listen and watch properly and diligently.
Himself in a large playground near his home and found himself in the midst of an unruly crowd of young boys. Some of them were playing, others were laughing and enjoying themselves. Quite a few were cursing and blaspheming and using obscene language. The relatives they spoke shocked him. He could not control his anger. He began to beat and fight them. Then suddenly a mysterious man appeared and called Don Bosco by name.
Johnny Bosco.
Johnny Bosco heard the unmistakable voice of man.
Not with blows, but with love and kindness must you teach this to your friend. Speak to them at once about the ugliness of sins and greatness of virtue.
But how am I to do so? I am a poor ignorant lad. Who are you that utter such impossible things of me?
Precisely, I say impossible to you. You must make them possible by obeying and becoming knowledgeable. Look, I am giving you a teacher.
At that moment, Johnny Bosco saw a woman
now, he will cause matters to my children.
John then looked and saw the crumbling angles change into clean clouds. That is the field of work that Bosco will have to do. The vision disappeared, but the scene remained vivid in his mind. The words
Every year, 16th of August, we celebrate the birthday of Don Bosco. This year, we celebrated the birthday of Don Bosco in our parish hall. And the students were very active and energetic to perform the items. The Don Bosco's education method is reason, religion, and loving kindness. And our teachers are trying to impart the knowledge related to that line. Don Bosco said, "Death rather than sin." I encourage all our students to think for their soul and for their future. As you are growing up, think of your soul more than the other things of the world. So I encourage all of you to pray to Don Bosco so that Don Bosco can intercede for us and we can become a better citizens. Thank you.